Si quieren ver este video de Boxycharm en español, voy a poner el video en la caja de descripción o también lo pueden buscar en mi canal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video and I'm going to be unboxing April's Boxycharm. You guys can't see it because someone put the label right in front of it. But anyways, it is the Boxycharm. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. And the theme of this month is called Peace, Love, and Boxy. It's super cute. I already knew it was gonna be like cactus and desert themed. That's why I'm wearing my cactus shirt. And this month I received variation number 3, if you guys wanted to know. And I'm sure the theme of this box is because of Coachella. If you guys want to know, I do not go to Coachella. I don't like music festivals. It's too loud. I have migraines. Alright, so this is what the box looks like inside. I'm super excited. So I'm going to begin with the smaller items. And the first thing I see here is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, Loose Powder Highlighter, in the shade Summer Haze. This is what the packaging looks like, super cute. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I've never tried a loose highlighter before, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to be swatching it for you guys. I'm going to be poking holes with this. We got it in our Boxycharm a few months ago.
And this thing is super short. Like the other day it fell on my hand and it cut me.
Okay, I'm sure this is not how you open it, but I already made a couple of holes in there. And I'm just gonna be putting some on the cap. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look very shimmery yet. Oh, look at that. Super shimmery.
Look at that, super pretty.
It's like it looks kind of peachy to me. So I'm really happy that I got this. I've never tried a loose highlighter before, so I'm really excited to try this out. This Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder retails for $27. If you guys don't know, I paid $21 for my Boxycharm, so this is already more than what I paid for my box. So I'm really happy with that. Alright, the second thing I see here is from Christopher Buckle Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has like a texture, so let's open it up and see the lipstick. I'm really happy that I got this variation because I've seen some other people's unboxing videos and they got some other variation and they got this lip gloss that I actually received in my Lip Monthly last month. If you guys want to check that out, I'm going to link it in the cards above and in the description box. But anyways, this is what the lipstick looks like. It's super cute. I love the packaging. I've never had a lipstick that looks like this, so I'm really happy with it. It's super pretty. Oh my god. And I got the shade Renaissance Longwear Lipstick. So let's open it. Oh, super pretty. I love this shade. I'm going to swatch it for you guys.
It smells like cake. I like it.
This is what the color looks like. It's super pretty. I'm so excited that I got this lipstick. So this Christopher Buckle Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick retails for $18. So I'm really happy that I got this. Alright, the next thing I see here is from the brand Starlooks. It is the Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Celestial. So this is what the packaging looks like.
I'm gonna open it up because it's kind of hard to see.
Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Oh, super pretty.
A shimmery green. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So I don't know if it's because I have lotion on my hands, but it's kind of sheer. Like if I swatch it, it starts moving around. But there it is. It's super pretty. I'm so happy that I got this. I've never used the green or a different color eyeliner besides black. So I'm super excited to be trying this out. Maybe I'll use this as an inner corner highlighter on my eyes. So this Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil retails for $19. I feel like this is expensive for an eyeliner. I don't even pay that much for my regular eyeliner. But I'm still really happy that I got this. Okay, the next thing I see here, it is the Luxie Summer Days Brush Set. And it comes in a super cute packaging with festival vibes. It has a little Ferris wheel, I think that's what it's called, and the palm trees. If you guys don't know, Coachella has a bunch of palm trees. So let me open them for you guys. So this is what they look like. I really like how it's like an ombre pink to orange, or orange to pink, whatever. And it has the gold detailing, and the brushes are super soft. I'm really happy that I got these. They're so pretty. And on the bottom of the brushes, it says the names of each brush. So that's pretty cool. I really love these brushes. They're super soft. These Luxie, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, retails for $28. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. Alright, and the last thing that I received, it is from the brand Pure. And it is an eyeshadow palette. It always comes in a bubble wrap. So this is what it looks like. It says Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. I love the packaging, it's super cute. Here, let's open it up. So inside this box, we got a sample of a primer. It is the Getty Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've been trying out different primers, so I'm really happy that we got a primer from Pure as well. Anyways, here is the palette now. This is what it looks like inside. It's super pretty. I love the colors. And it has a nice mirror. So on top of the palette, it says treat every day like a festival. It's super cute. I've never tried pressed glitters, so I'm really excited to try those out.
So the names of the eyeshadows are Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24K Magic, All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and Fireworks.
So I'm going to be swatching these for you guys right now. Here are the swatches. They are so pigmented. They're so pretty. I love them. I can't wait to try these out. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this eyeshadow palette. It's super gorgeous. This Pure The Complexion Authority Festival palette retails for $36. So I'm really happy with this month's Boxycharm. I feel like it's really worth it. I loved every single thing. And I'm happy that I could try all of this for only $21. So yeah. So I'm going to add up all the prices to see how much this box is worth.
Hey Google, what is $36 plus $28 plus $27 plus $18 plus $19?
The answer is $128.
So this box is worth $128. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about my Boxycharm. Did you guys like everything that I received? And if you guys also received Boxycharm, let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm. I would really like to know. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.